So, Ryan's in there revving up in front of me. If you guys are wanting to see your numbers, see what this thing does over the stock intake, we're doing that today. So Ryan's car is going to get dynoed with the Whipple intake, and then we're going to throw it on that TMP intake. So guys, follow along, stay tuned. This should make for a really good video. We brought the cars out here. It's Friday. We're doing a little ride, a little cruise. Got everybody together. So let's see how this does. Let's see if there's a big change, and let's see how awesome or not awesome this intake is. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we are at Full Throttle.
Yep, Full Throttle.
Over here.
Fab and Repair, Ricardo.
Ricardo over here in, was it Largo area?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And we got the piece. What do we got? TMP here. So
today's the day, boys and girls.
Let's flip this around, take a peek at this. We got the car on the dyno, getting it strapped down. And today's the day that we are going to see some numbers. So
we're going to run the car with the Whipple intake tube. We have a competent dyno operator today, unlike the last time it was on the dyno. So actually get some real numbers. It won't be dynoed in third gear, 3/4 throttle.
Yeah.
But so yeah, we're going to do a before and after. We're going to dyno the car as it sits. Absolutely no changes. We're going to put this on, let it cool down for a few minutes, and run it again.
Right.
So you're going to see continuous video, no interruptions.
No BS.
No BS.
So let's flip this around and
TMP
show you guys what we're doing.
10% roughly gains with this. We're going to find out.
Let's take a look at that thing. So again, 10% gains right off the rip. And this is their second version, right? Because the first
version was 3D printed. This one's actually roto molded.
It's a nice piece. It's a really nice piece.
Yeah.
I mean,
even if it doesn't gain anything, it still looks far better than the Whipple intake.
It looks nice.
It's nice. It's finished.
You got that silicone one on there now.
The silicone Whipple one is on there now.
Question, TMP, you guys are doing it for the 3/4 crusher? Because I need one.
Yeah, I think they are. I know they're doing one for the GT500 VMP throttle body setup. So real quick, silver car, Gen 5 Whipple, 26-ish pounds of boost, E85 tuned by Kevin Dunn. We don't know what it makes because the last time it was on the dyno, it wasn't accurate.
What was that number though?
640.
So
it made more with the 2.3 Whipple on pump gas than it did with the Gen 5 on 26 pounds of boost.
With some timing thrown at it.
With some timing in it. But so we're going to see what it makes. Throw this on and see what it makes.
Guys, we're going to have camera set up. We're going to have kind of all the angles on this thing. We want to make this a cool video, and we're going to get some good numbers on it. So guys, follow along, stay tuned, because we're just getting started. All right, guys, as you saw, everything's strapped down. TMP's there. Silicone, Whipple's on there. We're about to get started and see what kind of numbers this does. You ready?
Let's do it.
All right, well, let's get in the car, get this thing started up. We got camera set up. We're going to have tripods everywhere, get a full view of this thing. And let's see what she does. I just want to see, kind of want to see what it does. Because of the numbers we got last time, we're so way off. So 100%. We're excited for this, guys. Let's get this going. All right, guys, quick commercial break. Huge shout out to Novesight. They sent us these LED light bulbs. We threw them in the red fire. They're absolutely amazing. Go on their website, check them out. Link in description. Use the code SVTG to save 20% off their products and get your car hooked up. What did that do?
796 at 732.
What RPM?
6,200.
That's it?
Yeah.
I gotta go higher than that. All right, so we did 2 pulls, got some solid numbers. Gonna put the TMP on, do another 2 and see what we do.
All right, let's get this thing hooked up there. You guys know what we're gonna do. We're hyperlapse this. We're changing the intakes here on the fly, and we're gonna get after it. You ready?
I'm gonna take my phone.
Yeah, I need to hook that up. Guys, we are pull 2, TMP's on. This made what we thought it was gonna make, right?
Yeah.
We were right there with what we thought this car should have made. When we were on the other dyno at VMP, we knew something was off. Nothing has changed since that day other than the dyno. So 10%, right?
We'll see.
We'll see if it does it, guys.
Let's go TMP. Let's see what we got.
TMP is supposed to add 10%, so let's get after it. All right, first and foremost, you want to give a huge shout out to Ricardo down here, Full Throttle, for letting us get on the dyno.
Huge
Opportunity for us, and pretty local to us, so we probably will be back here.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
We appreciate it. If you guys are local, SRT4, you know, Mopar game, this is where you
Well, let's flip this around and real quick show you what he's got here, because this is like a Mopar capital. We're the SVT capital of this county. This guy is the Mopar, so look at this. You got SRT Jeeps, Neon, SRT4, SRT4, Hellcat Swap Dodge, SRT4's back there. We got 3 or 4 more of them in the shop getting worked on. Every corner here has a Neon on a lift. Badass CRX,
yeah,
R32. Fully built Cyclone up there, and the shop is just loaded with cars. So if you guys are in the area and you need something import done, I'll tell you what though, do not bring your Terminator here. That's us. Everything else is okay.
It was a 1% gain. Not.
Let's go over what we found out today, because as you guys are seeing before this, so we're not giving anything away, we didn't get a 10% gain. We gained about 6 horsepower
ish.
So what are we talking about? 2-3%?
We let the car sit in between pulls. You know, same thing we did with the other setup.
You guys saw with the big old fan on here. Temperature today is probably 75, 76. So it's a nice day here in Florida for being the middle of January. And you do pick up a little bit with the TMP. It's about $300.
Do I think it's worth it? Yeah, it's way nicer than the Whipple setup. It cleans the engine bay up a lot.
Aesthetically, it's a lot nicer.
Yeah.
Are you going to gain a bunch of power from it? No, you're not.
Now, maybe if I went in here with Dunn and revised the tune, maybe you pick up a little bit more with the new setup. But the claim of 10% out of the box with no tune revisions didn't live up to what they said.
No.
Still, I think it's a good product and a good buy.
And for $300, you are getting a nice looking piece. So with that being said, if that's something you're in the market for, TMP, they got that version 2, as we're calling it, out, ready to roll. So
you tell them what it made?
Yeah, okay, so 790.
796.
Hey, you tell them. Let's flip this around.
796 with the Whipple intake. So, you know, a little bit more than what it made at VMP. And about 640 at VMP, and they're like, oh, that's great. I'm like, yeah, awful. Anyway, 796, we put the intake on there. We made 802. So at the wheels. Again, this is a pretty basic setup. This car is getting cams, hopefully in the next few months. We're going to try to get closer to 900 with that and see what happens.
and we know that this dyno reads well. It's my car, which has been dynoed out of state before I bought it.
Yep.
Made 800.
Yeah.
And here on pump gas,
Made
the car made 770.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Overall, I'm thrilled. Thing runs good. It's done tuned. Highly recommend. For this setup, you know, I'm happy with how he's got it tuned, and
All right.
we got some numbers finally.
Yeah. So guys, we got that finished, got it complete. Another day of this stuff. It's Chris, you got Ryan, you got Sean, you got Brad. We brought the cars out. We took a nice cruise. It's SVT Garage. We'll catch you guys in the next one.